Hey everyone, welcome to the Pop Century Room Tour video. This is for the standard rooms at Pop Century Resort at Walt Disney World. As you can see when you enter the room, the Murphy bed is put in the upright position with a table and chairs underneath it. This can be easily folded down whenever you want to use the bed, but when it is up, it has great seating for your room and adds a little bit more space. And as you can see, the flat screen TV is directly across from both the beds in the room and can be tilted to either side depending on who's watching TV at that moment. Next up, we have our shelves and closet area. Both have a ton of storage, and underneath the shelves we have our mini fridge. Entering the bathroom, you can see that the bathroom is a lot more spacious than the previous Pop Century rooms. This is because the sink is now in the bathroom area, as to it was previously outside of the bathroom area. A good thing to note about the new Pop Century bathrooms is that there are no longer the Disney bottles of shampoo and soap inside of the shower, and it is now in pumps attached to the wall. It is still the H2O brand, but it's just all in wall pumps. You can request bars of soap if you would rather that, and room service will just bring them to your room. As we exit the bathroom, you can see that all the floors now are hardwood floors, as to where they were usually carpeted. As you can see, when the Murphy bed is down, there's a super cute graphic of Pluto directly above it as he is sleeping. And then directly above the regular bed, we have these super cute Mickey retro lights. As you exit the room, you kind of have a better feel of what the room is like once the Murphy bed is down. I hope you guys enjoyed this Pop Century Standard room tour. Make sure to like and subscribe, and comment what type of Disney videos you would like to see next. Bye!